Hello everyone. Very happy to meet you all through this virtual environment. I'm Dr. Jyoti Mandala. Welcome you to the Unity 3D course, a cutting-edge software platform designed to create, manipulate, and visualize the three-dimensional models with great precision and ease. Throughout this course, you will be understanding multiple things. First, Introduction to Unity 3D, where we will start with the basics, familiarizing you with the Unity 3D interface and its core functionalities. You will learn how to navigate the platform and customize it to suit your workflow. Two, you will be understanding modeling techniques. You will dive into fundamental techniques of 3D modeling. I'll cover everything from creating simple shapes to complex structures, ensuring you have a solid foundation in building 3D models. 3. Texturing and materials. In this, you will be learning how to apply textures and materials to your models to make them look realistic and visually appealing. We'll explore the extensive asset library and I'll show you how to create your own materials. 4. Lightning and rendering. I'll teach you how to set up lightning for different environments and render high quality photorealistic images of your models. Next up, you'll also learn about animation and simulation. You will be introduced on how to explore the dynamic side of Unity 3D with animation and simulation techniques. You will learn how to bring your models to life with the movement and interactivity. In this course, you will have practical projects. Throughout this course, you will work on practical projects that will help you apply what you have learned. So I suggest you people to work along with me. These projects are designed to simulate real world scenarios and challenges. By the end of this course, you will be proficient in using Unity 3D to create stunning 3D models and visualizations. Whether you aim to enhance your career, explore a new hobby, or simply to satisfy your curiosity, this course will provide you with the skills and knowledge to achieve your goals. Thank you for joining this video. Let's get started the journey of learning 3D model together.